Hi, I'm Diane Keaton, and this is Booker. This is Booker. Yeah, I rescued him. Listen, I am very proud to be on the board of the Helen Woodward Animal Center because they have single-handedly enhanced the lives of millions of animals as well as strengthened the bond between people and pets. Helen Woodward saves lives and finds homes for orphans like Booker and oh yeah, and what about Sparky and Lucy and Ivy? Them too, right, Booker? Booker, am I right or not? Yeah, but anyway, you don't have to listen to us. Just go to animalcenter.org and you will find out everything you need to know about this remarkable organization. Anyway, bye-bye. Can you say bye? Oh, look, I got lipstick all over Booker.